Gambas al Ajillo is a popular Spanish dish that can be quickly cooked over a fire, making it an ideal choice for outdoor cooking. This dish showcases the vibrant flavors of Spain and is known for its simplicity and deliciousness. Ingredients: 15 to 20 large peeled shrimp, salt to taste, freshly ground black pepper to taste, 2 garlic cloves, 1 chili, fresh parsley for garnish, olive oil. Instructions for use: slice the garlic into thin slices. Slice the chili into thin rings. Finely chop the parsley. Put the garlic and chilies in a pan or soup pot. Pour in a generous amount of olive oil. The garlic and chilies will maximize their flavors as the oil heats. When the oil is hot, place the shrimp on top. Season each side with salt and pepper to taste. Cook for 1 minute on each side. Gambas al Ajillo is a true crowd favorite, loved for its garlicky flavor and juicy shrimp. This dish is usually served as a tapa, appetizer, or can be served as a main course with a crust of bread to soak up the aromatic oil. The combination of garlic, chili peppers, if added, and the smoky aroma from cooking over a fire gives a delightful flavor to this quick and delicious Spanish dish.